Reading notes with Sol Clef. Sol Clef shows that the note Sol is on the second line of the staff. From Sol, you can read the other notes by counting up or down. As notes move upward on the staff, the pitch becomes higher.
Sol, la, si, do.
As notes move downward on the staff, the pitch becomes lower.
Sol, fa, mi, re, do.
How to find the names of notes you've forgotten. With practice, you can memorize the notes on the staff. If you forget a note, use the Sol Clef and the order of notes to find it. Sol Clef shows that G, or Sol, is on the second line of the staff. To find a note above the second line, start from G, Sol, and count the notes clockwise. Sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. To find a note below the second line, start from G, Sol, and count the notes anti-clockwise. Sol, fa, mi, re, do, si. Click the next video to take a 20-question music note quiz. On this channel, you'll find many creative and easy music lessons. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.